Okay, next one up, Missouri Star Quilt Company.
A quilt company in Hamilton, Missouri. That's what they think is a good idea.
Oh,
that's
the worst. That's the worst idea. We've
worst
heard a
idea.
lot of bad
Oh,
ideas.
Yeah, I can't believe Mom talked us into this.
Wait, give me a shot! I'm not throwing away my scraps.
And so just call me Quilty, I'm fun, crafty, and thrifty.
And I'm not throwing away my scraps.
We're gonna teach tutorials full of quilt knowledge. And we'll have a shop that will amaze and astonish. We've got all the fabric patterns and just enough polish. We'll bring quilting to the world. Quilters will be heard and every quilt will be acknowledged.
Wait, what's the name, Mom?
Missouri Star Quilt Company. We are Missouri Star Quilt Company. There's a million quilts we haven't sewn. But just you wait, just you wait.
And now, here's the Doan Girls.
Quilt, quilt,
Natalie!
quilt, quilt,
Misty!
quilt, quilt, and Jenny. The Doan Girl. Quilt. Hamilton Mo, wait and see. We'll have a quilter's shopping spree. 15 winners, time will tell. You'll remember your visit well. Quilts will rise, prices fall. We have sewn together through it all. And when push comes to shove, we will fill the world with quilts to remind you of our love. Da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. How would you like to win an all-expense paid trip for two to join us in Hamilton? For this year's Golden Star, you don't even have to audition. Entering is so easy. For every $10 you spend between March 14th and the 31st, you will get one contest entry to win one of our grand prizes. Plus, there are several other quilting-related prizes that will make you want to sing for joy. 15 lucky quilters will win an all-expense paid trip to Hamilton, Missouri for Birthday Bash in September. It's our 15th anniversary, and it's going to be our biggest production yet. I hope to see you real soon.